today I'm going to be showing you how to make microwave scrambled eggs that are really good and have cheese in it. Okay, let's get started. Drama audition! What you're going to need for this is some milk, some eggs, some cheese if you want to make it cheesy, but if you don't want your eggs cheesy, you do not need cheese. A fork, a bowl, and of course a microwave. Okay, so first we're going to crack our eggs that we want in the bowl. If you want 2, crack 2. If you want 3, crack 3. If you get any eggshell in it, make sure you take that out. Carefully cross over and throw your eggs away. I put it in our sink. You can throw it in your sink or like wherever you put our eggs. We usually put them on a counter or like in a bowl on our counter. I'm having 2 eggs, so I'm cracking 2. Always make sure you wash your hands. Pour a little bit of milk in, like that much. Okay, so next we're going to take our fork and we're going to scramble our eggs together. If you don't know how to do this, kind of whip your fork back and forth. What I'm doing, I go like this, I go under it, and I go like that. So like up. And you can pick it up a bit. They look ready right now because they're light yellow, there's little bubbles, and I can't tell the milk from the egg. They're all mixed together. As you can see, I brought my eggs and my cheese over. Make sure you don't take your fork out of your bowl at your spot that you're working, because you will drip egg yolk everywhere and that's not the best. So right now I'm going to let the egg yolk get out of my fork as much as I can, and I have a paper towel ready. I'm just going to put it at my paper towel. Don't get rid of this fork because you're going to need it later. Next, we're going to open our microwave and we are going to put our eggs in. We're going to put our eggs in for 30 seconds. Okay, so it is up. Our time's up. I'm going to check on it. I'm going to take our bowl out. There's little eggs forming around it, so we're going to take that fork with the yolk on it, and we're going to kind of get it up, and we're going to kind of like toss it around a little bit. And we're going to put our fork back on the napkin, and we're going to put our bowl back in the microwave, and we're going to do it for another 30 seconds. So our egg is more forming, so we're going to continue to kind of scramble it up. Make sure you get those sides because you don't want to lose any eggs. Like there's eggs there, that's fine. You won't be able to really get it off. So don't worry about that part. Next, we're going to put our fork on our napkin. Next, we're going to put our bowl in our microwave again. We're going to do another 30 seconds. This is probably going to be our last 30 seconds because it usually only takes a minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so our eggs are done again. We're going to open it, take it out, and see how it does. Ooh, okay, so these are they're almost done. Let's just scramble it up to see if yes, so there's no yolk. If there's still yolk in the bowl, keep going, but there isn't. So we're just going to scramble this up. Okay, so they're all scrambled. Now we're going to take our cheese. You can put as much as you want. People who don't want cheese can just stop there, add what they want, some salt, some butter, and they'll be good. I like my eggs really cheesy, so I'm going to put like a lot. That's about how much cheese I'm putting in. I'm going to mix it around. There. So now I'm going to stick this in the microwave. Except I'm not putting it on for 30 seconds. Do not put it on for 30 seconds because that will cook it for too long. So I'm going to do 15 seconds. And start. Okay, so our cheese is done. We're going to take it out. It looks pretty much all melted. If it's not, do another 10 or 5 seconds. If you have a lot of cheese and you might need to go longer than 15, which is okay, that is totally fine. I'm going to add some stuff to it. These are just suggestions. You do not have to do this. I'm just going to take some butter and I'm going to mix it around in my eggs. It just makes them more flavorful, I feel like. Because they are in the microwave and I do not cook them with anything. The cheese does make it more flavorful. So I love adding cheese. Okay, so it's all mixed around. Okay, now I'm just going to add some salt. I don't usually eat salt a lot, but it really makes it better in it. I only did 2 grinds because I really don't. I'm just going to mix it in because you don't want it in one spot. Okay. That's all I really add to my egg. You can add what you... If you want, you can add more and stuff. I would suggest, my best suggestion is probably add butter because it makes it taste a lot better. Okay, next, we need to clean up. I was putting all my materials away, my milk, my eggs, everything away as I went. So, but what's really important is our fork. We're going to put our fork away and this napkin. It's all egg yolky, so we want to put it in our trash can. Now it's time to taste it. Okay, so now I'm going to taste my eggs. They're super good and super cheesy and just what I wanted. So I ate all my eggs, and here comes the most important step, is washing the bowl. You don't have to wash it, but I do. You can just let it soak. But the best method is to wash it. So I'm just going to put my bowl there. So I'm going to get my sponge wet with hot water. You're going to get a little soap. And I'm just going to scrub all the egg out. Let this dry, or if you want it extra clean, you can put it in the dishwasher if you have a dishwasher, which we do, so I'm just going to let that go. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. If this helped you out, please comment down below because I would love to hear how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I'll see you guys all next time on Gabby's Awesome.